Ambitious Squad, it's Bruce here on your favorite YouTube fitness channel, Ambitious Muscle. You guys know the drill. Today we're going to be doing another resistance band workout. Specifically, we're going to be focusing on shoulders today. Our first exercise is going to be the shoulder press. I know you guys are really familiar with doing regular standing shoulder presses with the bar. In this case though, we're going to be using a resistance band. Specifically right here, as you guys can see, I'm doing a one-handed shoulder press. If you guys want, you can do the two-handed one, but you might need a weaker resistance band, since in order to do the shoulder press you're going to have to push the bar, or push the band I should say, all the way above your head, which is going to be really hard to do with a stronger resistance band. Right here I'm actually using an 80-pound one. If you can get maybe a 40 or 30-pound one, it probably won't be as hard for you, especially if you're a beginner, of course. As you can see, I'm pushing the band above my head. As I stated in my previous video, if you have the piece that you can attach to the top of it, it makes it much easier to do. As I said, mine doesn't have it at the moment because it's damaged. Right, and you can also use, as I mentioned before, a broom or piece of iron or weights if you want to mix it up a bit. If you want to have a more natural feel, you can do that. The next exercise is our lateral raises, the god of all lateral arm exercises. So you guys already know what a lateral raise is. My difference is I'm using a resistance band. And I forgot to mention, for the overhead press, you want to do anywhere between 3 to 4 sets of 15. I prefer to stick in a 4-set range. Same for this one, 4 sets of 15, 45-second rest periods in between sets. Our next exercise is going to be for our rear delts now. So we started from the front, went to the lateral heads, and now we're going to the rear heads. So you guys, I'm sure, as I said, are familiar with these. I showed them in my previous exercise video, but that was with weights. This time we're using a resistance band. It's really the same setup. Essentially all you're doing is you're bending over. It's similar to how you do a lateral raise, but you're going to be bent over almost 90 degrees. Still want to have a bit of an arch in your back. Keep your core tight and all that, and legs together. And then you want to raise the band up while having a slight bend in the elbow. So as before, I want to do anywhere between 3 to 4 sets of 15 reps, 45-second rest periods in between. If you guys want, there's also an alternative for rear delts. If you want, as I said, this is all about resistance bands. There are many exercises we can use for this, but I'm focusing on resistance band type exercises. Another great one you can do is your rear delt face pulls. I don't know if you guys are familiar with face pulls, but essentially you would put, in the case of a band, you put the band on something sturdy and you pull it towards your face. Right? If anything, I'll drop a small clip of that in the video as well. And that is pretty much it. As I said, I'm trying to keep these videos as short as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. There's a small chance that Zeus might come out of nowhere right now. So I'm just waiting. Yeah, you guys hear the lightning and thunder. Hey Zeus, I heard you coming from a mile. Anywhere Zeus goes, lightning follows. So I've heard. Enough chatter. What is it you do today, human? Well, today I basically showed my fans, so shoulder workouts, basically with resistance band. So yeah, I'm hoping to do like back tomorrow. Anyway, you already know the drill. I do Trust me. Good. Here we go again. I have a request for you, human. What is this request you have for me? I would like you to oversee Mount Olympus for me for a day while I explore Earth for a bit. Whoa. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. It wasn't a request. Okay. And while you're there, you'll be honored like any true warrior. You will be filled with all the food and meat that you can possibly consume, and you will have my concubine of goddesses at your disposal. Anyway, leave my sight. Hello humans, this is now my channel. For a day, of course. Your human will be back very soon. Zeus has a request for all you humans out there. Please continue to watch this channel, or you will face my wrath. I'm joking. You will face a bit of my wrath. All my wrath will destroy you all. Anyway, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to this wonderful channel. As you can see, 500 plus subs are on it. I'd like this human to grow to 1,000 before the end of the year. I need as much influence as I can garner. And please do not forget the most important thing. Leave a comment and tell me how cool you think I am. I started all of this, so I deserve most of the respect. Anyway, I've given you humans too much of my time as is. I must explore this tiny planet and see what it has to offer. Maybe some beautiful women for me to take into my possession, to bring back to Olympus. Maybe some wonderful food for me to enjoy while I'm here. Who knows? We'll see. Anyway, Zeus out.